Hey everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I'm at the P7 International Terminal Car Park doing some plane spotting. This is another video in my series of plane spotting videos. So we're going to check out this spot, and I'll show you how to get to this spot, and I'll show you the view. So let's get started. Let's have a little walk around and have a look at this spot. So as you can see, we're on the top of a car park, and basically there's some lifts that you go into, so I'll show you how you get there. Your best bet on finding this spot properly is just looking for the Ridges Hotel, and then you're gonna go through this little walkway over there where the Avis and the budget car rental area is, and take the lift to the top level. So now we're going to go up in the lift to the top level. So now we're at the 12th floor, and this is the top level. So now I'll show you how to get to that spot. So you're actually going to go this way, and you're going to just walk along here. And you can see there's a few people plane spotting down the end already. So we're going to head down there and take some photos and videos of the planes together. So as you can see, this is a really fun little spot, although it can get very windy. But yeah, you get a really nice view of the runways and all the planes, and also when they come in and the passengers and cargo gets unloaded. So yeah, some of my favorite things about this spot are that there's toilets nearby, it's accessible via public transport, you can also go get McDonald's, food. It's not just the plane spotting spot, you know, it's at the airport, so you get lots of good stuff. There we go, we've got a jet star taking off. I guess some of the downsides of this spot are that it's always quite crowded, and there's a lot of noise other than the planes, like a lot of air conditioning systems on the roof up here that you can hear, which can be kind of annoying. But yeah, this is probably my favorite plane spotting spot at Sydney Airport. It's got a really nice view, even if you just ignore the planes. The view up here is really nice. I'll show you that view. Let's have a look. Got Sydney, and also we've got some cool water views over here too. So it's quite a nice little spot. Anyways, enough about the spot. Let's film some planes and check out the footage. And stay along because there's going to be bloopers at the end of this video as well if you're keen to see me screw up the video.
There we go. That's the car.
Something if it is landing. hope you all really enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. Although there might not be many more plane spotting videos coming, as I think I've covered most of the spots of Sydney Airport, other than the bridge down there, which unfortunately right now is closed off. So I won't be able to film that bridge for a while until it opens up, if it does. Yeah. Thanks for watching the video all the way to the end, and hope you enjoyed it. See you all in the next video, and here comes the bloopers. Hey everyone. Hey everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I'm at Sheps Mound. That is not true, I'm not at Sheps Mound. I'm at the